All right, so we're here for newspaper/personal and career exploration, and this is our pre-test day. So this is going to give me an idea of how good of a teacher I guess I am in a sense, because we're going to take this pre-test, and at the end of the semester, we'll take a post-test. Go figure. So you are going to have access to a Google form, which is basically like a test survey sort of thing, and it is going to look like this. You're going to select your grade level and class. We only have 8A and 7B right now for this course, which is the following is not one of the 5 selves, etc. So you can see how there's a whole bunch of multiple choicey sort of answers. Then there's true, false. And then you're going to do a little bit of surveying. I have a strong self-actualization, the strongly agreed on, strongly disagrees. It's called a Likert scale for all of those right there. And then you will submit. All right. And then I will get what people have gotten on it. Obviously, what's missing is your name, okay? You are going to go in Google Classroom. You will press that you turned it in, but you will not actually tell me which one is yours because it doesn't really matter. As long as you press the turn in button, you're going to get full credit, okay? And so that's what we're going to do. I hope that you guys, have a great day if you're not able to come on live, all right? If you have any questions, just let me know.